The 12.3-inch Android Car Radio Multimedia DVD player for Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 152018203 from Aliexpress offers a comprehensive upgrade to your vehicle's infotainment system. Featuring an IPS+QLED screen, this unit provides superior picture quality with vibrant colors and full viewing angles. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration of mobile apps, audio, and navigation directly on the Android player. Equipped with a professional DSP amplifier, the unit delivers immersive audio experiences with 48-band EQ sound effects for precise sound quality. The system supports 4G network connectivity via a dedicated card slot and 5G Wi-Fi, ensuring reliable internet access and online activities while on the road. For navigation, the unit supports various software including Navital Maps, Google Maps, and iGeo Maps, and offers a built-in Play Store for additional app downloads. Bluetooth functionality allows for phone calls, music streaming, and address book synchronization, enhancing connectivity and convenience. The car radio feature supports FM, AM channels with a frequency range of 87.5 to 108 MHz, providing entertainment during drives. Powered by a high-speed 8-core processor, the unit handles multitasking efficiently, offering a smoother user experience. The system includes an HD rear-view camera for safer reversing, automatically switching to the reversing screen when the gear is engaged. Additionally, it features ADAS-assisted driving functions such as vehicle distance reminders, collision warnings, and lane departure alerts. The unit also comes with a 32GB memory card if the DVR version is selected and supports plug-and-play installation with a dedicated power cord. It is compatible with steering wheel controls and can decode original car information like door and air conditioning settings. The 12.3-inch Android Car Radio Multimedia DVD player is a powerful upgrade for your Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, blending advanced technology with user-friendly features. With its high-quality display, seamless connectivity, superior audio capabilities, and comprehensive safety features, this multimedia system enhances every aspect of your driving experience.